Want crispy chicken nuggets with zero carbs and only real ingredients? These carnivore nuggets use just 4 animal-based staples. Here's what you'll need. 1 can of chicken breast, 1 egg, shredded cheddar cheese, and crushed pork rinds. Drain and shred the chicken, then mix in the egg, cheese, and pork rinds. This creates a thick, sticky batter, perfect for nuggets. Shape into nugget-sized pieces. Air fry at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes or bake at 425 degrees for golden, crispy perfection. As Dr. Ken Berry says, fatty meat, eggs, cheese, these are superfoods. And this recipe delivers all 3. Dr. Sean Baker reminds us, meat heals, fat fuels, simplicity wins. That's exactly what these nuggets are all about. 0 carbs, full flavor, 4 ingredients. Like, share, and try these carnivore chicken nuggets today.